Hello everyone, Rachel here with Rachel's Unique Crafts. Just wanted to do a little update. So this was our chandelier from last year. It was made kind of like the solar chandeliers, except this one had a battery operated light bulb, and you could put more light bulbs in here if you'd like. And it's got the little crystals, and I put the little lamb's ear on top, made it real dainty. Real shabby looking French country. Anyway, you know, it's on a remote. And let's see here. We'll turn it off. And then back on. So it gives a good bit of light for just one light bulb. So, just wanted to remind y'all of this one. You could see I just have it wired up in there. You could actually put more light bulbs on it. Now, I also have, let's see, by my other remote. Whew, there we are. We have got lights now. Okay, I got the light bulbs, the battery operated light bulbs from Amazon. I got the curtain lights back there in the back that's twinkling. Those came from Amazon. The lights around the top of the canopy. And also this remote, it goes to a timer that I have plugged in. So you can set it for 2, 4, 6, or 8 hours. You can leave it on or you can just turn it off. I set mine at 2 hours because most of the time it's 8 o'clock in the summer when it gets dark. So I turn it on for 2 hours. It goes off around 10 and then it comes back on the next night at the same time. Stays on 2 hours and goes off. Anyway, I will put the link to my timer, my curtain lights, my light bulbs for my chandelier, and the little light bulbs going around the canopy. I mean, it's almost like daylight out here. Isn't it pretty? So y'all, last summer I painted my furniture white. I'm gonna paint it black again. Shh, don't tell my husband. I'm always changing something, but I really like the black and the tans, the neutrals. And I got this rug from Hobby Lobby. I got this these placemats and this runner from Dollar General. And I also got 6 of these placemats because that's all they had. It's got a little something on it. Okay. And I bought some black material from Hobby Lobby. Just making me some little pillows. They're not real thick, and that's what I love about them, because they just go right there in the chair, and you can still have room to sit there without being a big bulky pillow. So anyway, one more thing I'll show y'all is, yes, I have a lot of furniture to paint. These torches. Okay, we have 6 of them, I do believe. They look like flames burning. And they come on at dusk and they stay on all night long. And they're still on when I get up to go to work every morning. As soon as it starts getting daylight, they go off. I'll put the link in there to those also. I think they're so nice, and I got them the first of the summer last year, and they're still going. So that is one thing, and I've left them up all year long. So I really love those. All right, guys. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Hope you enjoyed this little update. And I will put the link to the video of our chandelier up there in case you did not catch it. So you can see how we did that one. All right, y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful evening. Remember, I love you all. And get to crafting and make something beautiful. Thank you. Bye-bye.